Alright, so question number 14, we're being told to evaluate the integral of sine inverse of x over root of 1 minus x squared dx. Alright, so when I actually look at this question here, I can already say there is actually a relationship between this sine inverse of x and then this root of 1 minus x squared. And that is because I know that when I differentiate sine inverse of x, I actually get 1 over root of 1 minus x squared. So I actually see a relationship right there. So that means I'm going to let that numerator actually be equal to u. So I'm going to let u be equal to sine inverse of x, and then therefore du dx shall be equal to 1 over root of 1 minus x squared. So let's make dx subject. Dx shall be equal to du times root of 1 minus x squared. So when you plug that in, we'll actually have something that looks like this. So where there is sine inverse of x will actually place a u, then I can actually see that this and this will cancel, and hence we've actually made the wise decision. So we can see that there are no more x's and everything is in terms of u. So now we're finding the integral of u du, which is actually equal to a half u squared plus c. But remember that u is sine inverse of x, so therefore we plug that back in and we'll have a half into bracket sine inverse of x square that bracket plus c, and that is the answer to this question.